This tutorial video, I will show you how to generate these images and animate them using your smartphone.
The first thing you're going to do is you are going to search Bing. Click on image creator. Then you get redirected to this image creating site, the Microsoft Bing image creating site. Here you have to input your prompt. You have to input your prompt in this search bar. So you just click onto the search bar. We have our prompt available, so we are going to be pasting our prompt. Then you click on create and wait for some minutes for your image to be generated. So you can see this is our result. Let's preview this. So this is one of the results. Here is another one. Here is another one. So to just download it, you click on the download button here without a watermark. You click on the download button. So let's try something new. This is another one, which is the coin. Another one. So just download it using the download button here. You download without any watermark. So to animate it, let's open another tab. Then you search for Picker Art. Once you get to the site like this, you have to create an account before you can be able to use this site. Then you click on image or video here. You click on image or video here, and then you select your image you want to animate. After clicking on the image you want to animate, you click on this. So you can see this is our result. You can see the image moving. So you can just click on this download icon here to download the animated video. So you can see the image moving. So that is just how you can create, you can generate this AI image and animate it using your smartphone. Please, if you've learned something, if you've learned one or two things from this video, don't forget to like, comment, and as well you can just comment, subscribe so that I can give you a welcoming hug. Thanks for watching.